Tomorrow morning I'm gonna be flying to San Antonio to attend BUILD23 event by EXP. This is like 3-day event, and I'm also gonna be interviewing some of my sponsors and my mentors at EXP Realty. So stay tuned, this is supposed to be an amazing video.
This is something that I've shared with everyone ever since we started having this conversation about the recession. Now, one of the things I want every single one of you to recognize is this, is that there is no reason why, if you're earning $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, that you should not in the next 24 to 30 months be earning $1 million.
Is revenue share worth the hype, you know? Because people say, oh my God, you can make so much money.
I just got goosebumps all over my arms.
Can you really make so much money with the revenue share?
The opportunity is unbelievable, and it's almost unbelievable.
Okay, but listen carefully to what I just said to you, right? That every single person in this room, if you decided to, within the next 24 to 36 months, could be earning $1 million. Now, I'm surprised no one went woo-woo. You're waiting for someone else to woo-woo. Why aren't you woo-wooing? You're not woo-wooing because you don't believe it can be done.
The fact that the impact that you can make, and the fact that the EXP model just removes all of the limitations for you to grow anywhere in the United States and 22 other countries. So I almost don't want to overhype it, because people won't believe the amount of power that is there, and the amount of the way that it'll change your life, and the way that it'll just basically change your life.
Yeah, awesome. Let's go back to the event. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's so good to be back at EXP. I absolutely love you guys.
What's up, everyone? This is Tom Daves. He was Keller Williams' #1 agent in the world 7 times.
Awesome. Well, I'm glad that I don't have to share that story, because George shares that story for me. How you doing today, George?
Amazing. Yeah, I'm just in San Antonio. This is actually my first EXP event. I just joined 3 months ago, and I heard a lot about you and about my sponsors. You are one of them. So why don't you tell us about yourself, and do you have any tips for any aspiring agents? And
Sure. Yeah, absolutely. Well, a little bit about myself. Pretty much born and raised in Sacramento, married with 3 kids, 3 beautiful grandkids, and I got into real estate over 35 years ago, George. I started when I was 12. No. But yeah, my favorite saying is from Wayne Gretzky. You have to skate to where the puck is going to be, not where it is now. So whether it was traditional real estate or REOs, I was selling 400 or 500 homes a year, multiple year after year for all of the banks. And I hooked up with Blackstone Private Equity, sold them 600 homes in 1 year. I bought and sold hundreds of flips. And I really still felt like, man, I've got my foot on the accelerator pedal. I'm on this transactional treadmill, and I still did not have a clear path to an exit strategy at an accelerated rate. So that was when I heard about EXP Realty 3 years ago. And there were just really 4 key pillars that really intrigued me, George. Number 1 is the economic model. And then number 2 is the stock. We're on NASDAQ, we're publicly traded. You know, we're at EXPI as the ticker symbol. I love getting equity and ownership in the company. Number 3 is just all of the collaboration and the support that we have, and the great events that we have. You know, and then number 4 is, of course, the revenue share. So I just, you know, made the move over to EXP Realty.
Is it for the hype? You know, I have a guy, he has independent brokerage. He just asked me, you know, is it worth taking my whole brokerage into this thing called EXP?
Oh, absolutely. In fact, now We do have an independent brokerage acquisition and merger model, which just is amazing. So, yeah, so it just changed my life. I mean, I now have over 7 figures of stock portfolio, over 5 figures of monthly residual income. I'm not going to lie, George. I did sell I sold some of my EXP stock, and I bought a cabin down in the Santa Cruz Bay Area, but hey, that's what it's for, you know? So that's my story. I'm sticking to it, and I'm glad that I'm here, George. Thank you so much for connecting me with all of your viewers.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
So if you want more revenue share, increase your leadership. The great Zig Ziglar says, you can have everything in life you want if you'll just help other people get what they want. I would say the same thing is true with revenue shares. You can receive any amount of revenue share you dream or want if you help enough other people reach their dream revenue share target.
And what they were studying was a mindset of abundance versus a mindset of scarcity, a mindset of pessimistic outlook versus a mindset of optimistic outlook.
One of the biggest struggles real estate agents are facing is the health insurance. You know, we are independent contractors, you know, but the EXP has a solution for us, and there's my friend Spencer. He's gonna tell us about EXP health insurance and what benefits does EXP health insurance offers.
Awesome. Thank you, George. It's great to meet you. And just exactly what George said, the struggle is real, and that it is very hard to find not only affordable health insurance, but also health insurance that's quality. And that's what it's all about, not to be worrying about how is this gonna affect my wallet, just being able to focus on getting better. And not only do we have these great products that were specifically written for the real estate agent in mind, we have a team of dedicated benefit consultants that are there to help you walk you through the process, because that's the other part, is education and learning about the benefits industry and how to navigate and work your plan is really difficult, because there's a lot of crazy vocabulary and what is deductible and then maximum out of pocket and all these terminology means. So the educational portion we also take very seriously.
Yeah, that's awesome. So EXP health insurance is going to change your life, trust me. Not only EXP company, but EXP health insurance. Thank you so much for your time.
Appreciate it.
And talk to you soon.
Same here.
This lady here, she sells over 100 homes a year just via social media. How in the world are you doing that?
Okay, can I correct you?
Yeah, please.
So for 17 years, I was a top 1% real estate agent using innovation and technology, video, digital marketing. But now I'm a coach, so now I focus on helping people like you and other agents, but I'm not doing it right now.
Okay, so what would be the tip? I want to start my social media and everything. What would be the tip you would give me? Like 5 tips, let's say.
Okay, so here's the coolest thing is like right now, because so many agents are leaving the industry, okay, you can utilize video on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Because people go to YouTube, actually they go to Google like searching for things and they're like, how to buy a house without credit. And then YouTube is owned by Google. So when people do searches on Google, YouTube is showing up. So you'll become the community market leader.
And one more question before we wrap up. I mean, you're great at marketing and social media and everything. You can have your own brokerage and do the same, make millions, you know. Why would you pay money to someone? Why EXP? What's so great about EXP?
Oh my God, EXP. Okay, so here's the thing. I love EXP because it gives you freedom. If you read Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, every wealthy person have multiple streams of income. Now, I know most of you do not want to do agent attraction. I get that. But the collaboration, the support, the education, the community of EXP is like no other. I mean, seriously, people are sharing. Like, I just met George and he's like, let's do it YouTube. And I said, okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to help each other. And they really, really do care. And our owner, Glenn Sanford, his dedication to the agents and to putting money back into our pocketbooks and not into his is unprecedented. I have been with Remax, Keller Williams, Intero, Realty World, my own brokerage. I actually left my own brokerage to go with EXP because I didn't want the liability. And they have so much to offer. I mean, it's amazing. My name's Krista Bayshore, and just like Google me. I'm on all social channels. And every day we have a 3-day event which teaches you how to use video and social media to dominate your market. Show up to that. It's like the cost of a couple cups of coffee. Yeah.
Awesome. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is crazy. You know, I love the speakers. I love everyone. So I cannot wait to go back tomorrow.
with weak people. Come on now. Paying for overhead we don't need to support revenue we don't have is...
A fellow EXP agent stole my buyer. Victim. Nobody stole anything. What Michael Jordan do? What did Bill Pipes just teach us? Was I listening to Bill Pipes? Oh yeah. It's one of my favorite trainers. See, Michael Jordan said, what can I learn from this? How can I improve and get better? And when you lose a listing, you say, well, Scott, why did you get, this is how I make my living. I'm thrilled you list with Sotheby's or Coldwell Banker, Century 21. Awesome. I mean, obviously you found someone. And be happy, don't just fake it. Because they found someone they like better than you.
Things consistently done produce extraordinary results. Now check this out. God, I use this all the time. When my effort to help you to get better exceeds your effort to get better, this stops working for both of us. Some people need to listen to that. The clearer we are on coaching of beliefs and performance by shifting the burden of ownership and correction to the agent, the less the likelihood.
So we are here in San Antonio with Amir. Amir is a Californian-based real estate agent, and now I'm going to be talking to him to see what tips he has to give us on how to succeed in this real estate industry, especially in California. It's so competitive there.
It's easy to play monopoly game. Yeah, everybody's played a monopoly game before, and easy to buy and sell houses and buy hotels because it's fake money. It's not your money. You don't have emotional connection with the money. If you lose, you lose. You know, you're gonna play another game.
How powerful revenue share actually is? Is it worth the hype? You know, people say you can make so much money if you bring like 20 agents, 30 agents from your brokerage to join, then those people bring people. So what's the truth? How much money are you making from revenue share? If it's not a secret, of course.
I'll say so. When I owned my brokerage, almost 10 years, 9.5 years, my best month was $10,000.
$10,000. Okay.
When my brokerage, but I was taking all liability and all the work, checking the contracts and stuff. So $10,000. My last month in EXP right now, so after 3.5 years with EXP, is $29,000.
And you know what, guys? Mission accomplished. Because these speakers, these people are awesome. I learned so many great things, and honestly, I cannot wait to come back. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.